Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add and remove movies and series from the My List section on the Netflix website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app website on your device. After that, you should select the series that you would like to add to your list. Tap on it, and after that, you should tap on this plus icon that you are going to find here. So click on the Add to My List button, which is this plus icon, and when it is added to your list, the check mark icon will appear at the place of this plus icon. However, if you want to remove it from your list, just simply tap on this series or movie and click on the check mark icon and it will be removed from your list. Here you can find the My List section as you scroll down below the Trending Now section. So if you tap on the title, you are going to see all of the items added to this section. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.